It's Dream Fun Bee here, and today I'm doing a tutorial. Clearly I'm not showing my face today, but if you want to have a sneak peek, here you go. So I'm doing a tutorial on how to make slime with 2 ingredients. This, toothpaste, any kind would work, and hand sanitizer. Well, this hand sanitizer has been in the freezer overnight, so it's like already in the format of slime, but not really. So, what happened? Wait, I'm gonna fix my camera positioning. There. I'm gonna do it from an angle. So I'm making it difficulty here. Oh, because the camera's the wrong way. Okay, there we go. So the hand sanitizer's in here. So I'm gonna take my Colgate toothpaste. Squeeze. So it doesn't matter how much. Let's see if this comes out as a fail or good. You can link down the comment in the comments what you think about this slime. So I have this in that. So I'm gonna mix it. I'm actually gonna think about putting more. And then I might retry it. Okay, let's see. So mix it. Applications coming out a little good. You would think it would be a fail because toothpaste and water just makes a whole bunch of soap. Let's move this. The rest of the slime's in here, but let's move this out of the way for now. So here's a little piece, and I'm being truthful. This is the little piece I have. I don't think it's going to come out ethically. I think I probably need a little bit more hand sanitizer. So these are what my fingers look like. Right now it's just a whole bunch of messed up, smelly good toothpaste. Wash my hands. I should have truthfully did this in something. I should do it in my pencil box. It's already, my mom already cracked it. So. Let's see. There you go. So pour this in here. Pour this hand sanitizer. Let's drain it. I'll pour all the water in here, but not the hand sanitizer. I mean, what is it called? The slime. See, some people say that you only can make most slime work ethics in the, what's it called? I don't know what it's called. The, I forgot what it's called. The activator is most likely glue and borax. But did you hear that kids have been getting burnt with 3rd degree, 1st degree, and 2nd degree burn with that stuff? So I won't trust it. I want a big, giant, mega thing of borax right over there. But guess what? I'm not using it because I have pretty good palms right now. And I don't want them to get burnt. Not at all. Want to know what I dislike? Lotion. And guess what? Hate comments I really don't care about, so feel free. You want to know why? Because my mom's just going to look at them, then I'm going to tell her it's not a big deal. Then I'm be like, oh my God, Mom, you're just making it worse. And I don't care. So I'm going to go pour out this, what is it called? My room's messy right now. I made a water balloon earlier. Where's my squishy at? Well, I'm got to go put something in here, so I'll be right back. And, hold on. Why did I just put my hand there? I don't know. So I'm going to go put this, pour it out and put the hand sanitizer. And my room is crazy. It's just a crazy, crazy bunch of mess. Oh. And I'm back. So, the slime right here. There's way more. It's just, I need to pour this hand sanitizer in it. Well, a little bit more. I'm ashy. I'm a really big slime hoarder. I'm not going to promise you, but I might do a slime collection video. I'm just trying something new right now. I really don't want to because then Mom's going to get mad. She's like, oh, why do you keep doing those stupid slime videos? I'm like, Mom, you're crazy. You know slime's the new thing now. But still, just because slime is fun, you still have to make sure your safety is okay. Let's try a little, just a little. Let's see. This might be stupid, but we can try it. Let's mix it. I guess. I really don't know its activator. I think it's probably hand sanitizer. Yeah, I'm pretty sure because hand sanitizer has a lot of germ killers inside it. I use the Ale Free. The I don't know how to pronounce it. Be free to comment down below and tell me how to pronounce it, because I don't. I think it's aloe something. It's ALOE. That's how you say it. That's how it's spelled. Oh wow, I'm getting this all over my bed. So pretty much this is how much I've done. Well, so far, and just work at it. Doesn't really even look like slime though. Finally got me a stick here. I'm tired of it. Being ugly. I can't wait till my mom gets here. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm probably gonna do a Musical.ly completion, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna keep mixing it. I'm gonna try to bring it to the middle so I can mix it. I know you guys are like, what is she doing? She looks like she's being stupid. And yes, I know my mom's gonna look at this when she gets home from work. Here with my mom's boyfriend. Oh, my dad. You could see it through the pencil box. See, look. This doesn't look like a thing like slime. Wow. Always happens to me. The camera just goes berserker. Let me open my window.